Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video I want to talk about this autosaver cover, bed cover. Now as you can see, this bed cover is a hard cover that you put on this vehicle. Now this one does have three, I'm going to show you all right now, but so I traded this one out for the soft one. I do like this one more just because it's a hard cover. And it seems like it's more stable on here, and I'm going to show you the reason why. But before we do get to that, I do want to mention that I was given this product in exchange for my honest opinion. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So upon unboxing it, just come in a little Ziploc bag. You do get some carabiners included with it, and this is the mesh itself. So comes with 8 of these carabiners. And here's the net. So this net can be used the bed of your truck or the rooftop or your SUV in the back area. So what we're going to do is just put a carabiner on each corner. I'm only going to do 4 because that's where my contact points are. As you can see, that's how the mine with no modifications. It's the plug and play application basically. And so as you can see here, we have the bed cover, and you can see the build quality on it is pretty sturdy, to be honest with you. And you see those right there, they even have pins so that you can lock this in place. And once you lock it in place, it won't be wiggling around with the road conditions or whatever. And you also have some back there as well. So you have 3 total on each side. 1, 2, and 3. Back there you have it's kind of made of metal a little bit, and then one piece is made of metal, the other one is made of plastic, and then you have a wing nut on the bottom as well. And same thing over here, you'll have 3 of these, and like I said, they're pretty sturdy. They're pretty much on there. You also get these right here so that you can, once you fold it, you could go ahead and clip it down towards the front once you fold it. So let me go ahead and show you that. So right here, all I'm doing is taking off the pins. And then a cool feature here is you have these rubber things, and as you can see, you can go ahead and fold it like this, and it holds them so they're not just flopping around. So when you go ahead and put them down, you just go ahead and get it real quick. In other ones, when you're about to put this down, this thing is dangling on the other side and you can't really get it down the right way. So this does come in handy. And there you go. So right here, all you gotta do is, there's a little rubber piece. You take that out, save it somewhere, and you can go ahead and clip it from both sides, and it's not gonna go anywhere. Just do this real good to strap it down. And once you're done using it this way, you can just go ahead and flip it over, put this back, and you're ready to go. There's another thing that I like about this top. As you can see, it's easier to clean one of these than the rag ones. It's easier to clean one of these than those soft tops. The soft top does require some additional care. This one doesn't. It's just, you wipe off and that's it. So that is another feature that I like about this one. Let's go ahead and unfold it. I'm going to show you another feature. Okay, so this one you see right here has rubber, and so I do want to mention that I have tried it out in the rain and water didn't get in, but don't quote me on that. I haven't really fully tested it. What I can do is, if you guys would like to see a video, I can throw water with the hose and go ahead and do that. But so far everything stayed dry in here, and this is what I like about it. It's a rubber seal all along the tailgate. And so that concludes the video on this cargo net. Thank you.